The renovations really transformed this from an auditorium to really a performing arts space and a place that the community can come and host their events and celebrate things like the arts. And this is where they're gathering.
We have a lot of customers who still have centralized dimming systems and know that they want to upgrade to LED, know that they want the advantages from power savings to not having to change lamps to cooling costs. All those things are important.
I definitely think it helps create the ambiance of what we're trying to accomplish.
Mains dimming, I think, is a terrific solution for places, venues that are stuck between two worlds.